So we're staying in Buncrana tonight. What a wonderful name, Buncrana.
Buncrana.
Tourist information board there, and this little bit is just for motorhomes. You can actually pay and have electric hookup for the night. I think it's €5. We still haven't got any euros.
Oh, yeah?
First thing we have to do is get some money. There's a dude here. Does anyone know who that is? I bet nobody watching this knows who he is. Not a single person.
Can I give him a hint?
Go on, give him a hint.
We're in Amazing Grace country.
We're in Amazing Grace country. Amazing Grace, it's a hymn. You know it? Amazing Grace. Yeah, it's a guy called John Newton. Apparently, I think there was a storm and he got washed up on this shore or something. And then he became some kind of vicar or religious dude. And he wrote Amazing Grace. So that's why this is Amazing Grace country. What's that, Mazzy? A bottle top picture.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Made out of plastic bottles, look. How good is that? I think we stood on a weighbridge here, but we're not sure. I can't see where you pay or anything. So we've been walking up this street into the town centre. We're seeing quite a lot of them now, aren't we, Mazzy? These bottle top mural things.
Yeah. Really.
Must be local kids who have done them. Bag it, bin it. Love it. They've got a message, you see.
It's all like recycling and being eco and all sorts, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you look so excited.
I've had a bad day.
Yeah, but don't let it bring you down. Look, we're going to go in this little cottage pub.
Cottage bar.
Cottage bar. Happy?
I am happy because it opened at 10:30, which tells me it's a good pub.
Just popped out at the back of the pub. Look at how gorgeous that bench is. That's just really nice, isn't it, babe? That's character.
The whole place has character. Like, look at the cast iron.
That's how they
Table.
used to be, isn't
Absolutely
it?
beautiful, and the interior is amazing as well. And the garden, they've got a big patio area down here.
Yeah.
And the garden just goes on and on to where that car's driving, right down the bottom there.
Yeah.
So much potential. It is a lovely pub as it is, but it's got potential for so much more if they wanted to.
But it looks small on the outside. I'm shocked.
Tiny.
I'm
Tiny
shocked
little
at how
cottage.
big this place is. And we think it might have been a bakery.
Yes, and we'll show you why in a minute.
There's a picture here of the cottage bar. And it's in Boston. Do you think that's Boston, America, darling? Oh, it is. It's got the American flags outside.
So I don't know what this was, but that's unusual. That's next door. We haven't even noticed that. But this is the cottage pub which we're in, which we think was a bakery back then. Check out the walls, made of corks.
Literally
The entire
every wall in here is corked. And this is why we think it might have been a bakery.
They're like them ovens, aren't they? And up there, you
Yeah.
notice the paddle. Look at the length of that paddle.
What are you looking for?
I found it.
What?
Come
Have
in
you?
here. Can you see where were it? I've lost it again. They're a little round stain here somewhere.
You're not going to show him
it's
that.
Little stain where a bird's just pooped on Mazzy outside in the street.
Yeah, on my right shoulder. Apparently it's meant to be lucky. And then literally I found 20 cents.
Yeah.
So maybe what's lucky? Being pooed on or finding 20 cents?
For me, finding 20 cents. For you.
Hey, that's mine! I'm really happy.
Right, what have you done now?
Because I'm so lucky now after the bird pooed on me.
Yeah, you found 20 cents.
20 cents, and then I just left the pub and found another coin.
What's that then?
It's only 5 cents. But you know, it's luck. It's the luck it's bring. They come in threes as well.
They come in threes, yeah. The third is going to be the police because the barman saw you pick that up off his floor and he stole it.
I did not. You're so excited.
We've just passed a shop. It's got the best name in
Show
the
me
world.
name.
Abra Kebabra. Abra Kebabra. They do kebabs, Mazzy. It looks really nice.
And taco fries or something.
What they do kebab? I think it's a kebabra. Abra. Can you see what they've done there? Abra Kebabra. I've never heard that in my life, and that is the cleverest name for a shop in the history of shops. abracadabra. Not abracadabra, abracadabra.
Asking me to go in for a menu.
Definitely getting one of them.
Right, we're off to the free shop, guys.
Yeah, we're off to get some SIM cards, much needed SIM cards.
Yeah.
Getting a bit worried. So on our mobile phones, we get 20 gigabytes free in the EU. We're now in the EU. We're out of the UK. We're in the EU. How long would 20 gigabytes last your average person? Probably a month. You'd probably get away with it. I used 10 gigabytes last night. 10 gigabytes in a day. So we're off to the 3 shop to get some SIM cards. Fingers crossed, unlimited, €20 each for a month. And we'll get that and just keep that rolling until we leave Ireland. That's the plan. Just hope we're not going to be let down.
So we've just been to the free shop and we've come into this bar. I'm having to show you because I can't pronounce it. But look, it's actually so wonderful. I tell you what, the bars in Ireland have got so much character. Just look at the ceiling in here, guys. It's like carpet and I don't know, it's just really wonderful. And then these dresses, oh my gosh. These are just so beautiful. My daughter used to go Irish dancing and she wore one of a bit like this kind of a dress here. She did Irish dancing and she wore one of those, and yeah, they're just so beautiful. Where's Dan gone? He's gone the wrong way. Where are you going? You're going the wrong way.
I'm just looking around, Mazzy.
How are you?
I've never been in a toilet like it.
Really? What's in there?
Hair mousse,
Really?
hair wax, 3 different kinds of men's deodorant.
Oh, you probably have to pay for that.
No.
No, you do usually.
No, it's literally there. You can use it. It's like going in a men's bathroom. It's all
Yeah.
products for you to use.
Are you sure there ain't a little leprechaun sitting at the end
There
of it
isn't.
and you got to tip him
And it's
for it?
immaculate.
Oh,
It's absolutely
wow.
immaculate.
Okay, well, I was just showing the guys around the pub. Isn't it like really unique and
Wait
just
till we go out there.
out there? What?
Don't get better. Free charging station. All different ends to charge
Oh
your
wow,
phones.
that's good.
What a great service.
Yeah. So let's see what's out here then. Let's show everybody.
I just saw what looked like the World Cup.
Oh my gosh. Honey, look at that weird thing there, look. It kind of looks old, but weird, and I don't... do you see what I'm trying to show you guys?
Yeah, somebody's done like a copy of some ancient relic there.
Oh,
Very nice.
See. Oh, I do like that clock up there. That's nice too. And look, this little wonderful old boot. I'm guessing that might be a lamp. Oh my gosh, I bet that's well pretty when on. So you know what now?
What's now, Mazzy?
It's wash day! Du, du, du.
Yay! Looking forward to this.
Yeah, you gotta help me.
Really looking forward to this.
Good, I'm glad you are. So we noticed there is a washing machine and dryer over at the garage, and we've never used these before, have we?
I've seen them cropping up over the last 12 months all over at the garages,
Yeah.
and some of the drums are huge, aren't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get over there, check it out. This should be really cool.
Yeah, nice clean bed tonight.
Yay! So someone's using the washing machine, so we'll have to do that later. We're going to go out for another drink, because we can. We decided to stay last night. We've hooked up, £5 per night. But it was really interesting because you get the tokens. There's a tourist information here. This is their office car park, but it's also a camper van park up place. And you can get water as well. And we went in, we decided we're a bit burnt out, aren't we?
Yeah.
We haven't had a proper day off, not proper.
Not proper. No.
So we just decided we're going to stay here for 2 nights, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we went in there to get tokens, £5 per night, so £10, €10, so it's only about £8. And she says there might even be some in there, some electric in there. If there is, and you don't have to use the card, just bring it back and we'll give you your money back.
And there was actually electric still in the meter.
There was.
So
I have put the card in anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah.
You don't have to pay £5 a night. It's just...
No, only if you want electric.
Yeah, but like our fiver will still last tonight for the second night, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, you get so many units for €5. So yeah, we're here for another night. Just relaxing, aren't we?
Yeah.
Didn't get a video up last night, sorry guys, but...
We did video, we did vlog all day yesterday.
Yeah, we got it all done, it's all ready to go up. So, you'll have seen that now, that will have been last night's video.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's get into town.
Yeah.
Might be some more vlogging to do.
Yeah. So we're just going to go for a little walk up and down the high street. See what's about. Show all the different bars.
They're all closed, Mazzy.
Yeah, it's a bit early.
There's one open and it's the one we went in yesterday. It's down that way and you've walked straight past it and come up here to look at shops.
I just want to show the guys the little town we've come to.
Can't you like zoom in from here and then we can just go back?
Oh my god, get out of here. Hutton's Bar. What Dan don't realise, it's opened and he's walked straight past it. Another one.
And over the street, Mazzy, you've got the Excelsior Bar, the Ballroom, John Bar and Grant's Bar.
Yeah, there's just so many. They love their pubs, don't they?
Yeah, you know, if anyone's wondering why we seem to be going in a lot of pubs on this trip, it's because that's all there is.
Yeah. And they're really bar-y, do you know what I mean? They're not foodie places like back
No, we
home,
haven't
are
seen
they?
anywhere selling food, it's fantastic.
Yeah, just drink. If you're looking for some new shoes, not second-hand ones, just new ones, that's the place to go.
This is the beauty of Ireland. They don't care, they don't do all this fancy rubbish. Mac, that's the guy who owns that shop. He sells books and he sells news. Over there, Hegarty's, right? They sell furniture and carpets. It's just straight to the point. So you've got a cinema there, Mazzy.
Uh-huh.
It's one of the last remaining old-style cinemas in Ireland. But here, there used to be a church. Look at the old picture here.
Oh, yeah.
Little church, but it's gone. St Mary's. Art, Mazzy. Proper art.
I'm guessing you're not coming to the pub now then?
Oh yeah, I'll come. That's what it's all about, you know. That's how we get our signals on our phones and upload videos for people. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
So this is where we actually popped in yesterday, wasn't it?
Still don't know how to pronounce it.
No.
O'Flaitbeartise. It's obviously a Gaelic word. Don't know.
Don't know. But it looks wonderful.
I think it's O'Flaherty's, something like that.
Oh yeah.
O'Flaherty's. Yeah, that'll be what it is. You look beautiful as ever.
Thank you, I'm a proper angel, mate. In Ireland they call everything wee, don't they?
They do, it doesn't matter how big it is, they call it wee.
Yeah. A little charity shop. We did pop into one yesterday actually, which was
I
alright.
think everything were £1 and we didn't even buy anything.
No. Dan's just popped to the cash machine. And this is now where we're going to go for a little drinking at the cottage. But this is, we actually got a kebab from here last night. It was like a posh kebab. It was so good.
So, we've never used these before.
No, I'm excited.
18 kilograms,
Yeah.
Mazzy. That is
Yeah.
a massive load. 30 minutes it says on there. You pay by cash or card. Yeah, these have been popping up all over the place. Now, we've done washing on campsites before
Yeah.
and spent a fortune, haven't we?
Yeah.
Because they only have these small drums. And we've done like 3 loads. And then with the drying on top, it adds up to like £25–30.
Can do.
It can do, yeah. So here it's €8 for the wash and €2 for the dry, which is about £8.
And they give you detergent too.
And, yeah, detergent is included. How cool is that?
Look at that, look. Plenty of more room.
Yeah, you could have got anything
I
in
could
there.
have put me coat in.
So, I was worried this was going to be quite complicated, but it looks very, very straightforward.
Does it?
Touch the screen to start. You can even choose your own language. Dry or wash. We want a wash. You can wash in the 18 kilogram, €8. Would you like to add softener for an additional €2? My Mazzy said yes. So it's going to be €10. I'm going to pay by card. €10. Stick the card in. Remove card. Would you like a receipt? No. God, you can have it sent by mail, Mazzy.
Yeah.
You can have your receipt sent by mail. Thank you. Please go to machine 2, choose your cycle and press the start button.
Yay.
Here we are. 80 degrees, that's going to be
I'll go
hottest.
with 60.
60.
Yeah.
Press start.
Yeah.
Away we go. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, that's well good. So how long does that take?
I don't know, but one of my contact... Oh no. There's a button. I thought one of my contact lenses in there.
They get everywhere, they do.
50 minutes. Okay, so for a hot wash it takes a bit longer, but we're in no rush at all, are we?
No.
Let's go back to the van and come back in 50 minutes. Sorted.
How about a nice good Irish joke to your day up, babe?
Mazzy, go on, just give me a joke.
Right. So Paddy was in the bar, right? And Sean pops in. And Paddy was telling Sean how he'd been in the cemetery that morning. And he was like, Jesus, Sean, this fella, he was 152 years old. And Sean says, Jesus, Paddy, that's an age. He says, what's his name? He said, Miles from Dublin.
Oh, Mazzy. No, I'm going home. I've had enough of these Irish jokes. They're rubbish.
They're not!
Washing's done, Mazzy.
It is.
Get it in the dryer. I'll pay for it.
Show the guys how big this dryer is. It's huge.
Well, it's 18 kilogram. As I said, the other one's 8 kilograms, so it just shows you, you know, even the 8 kilograms bigger than a normal washer. So we'll have dry this time. How long do you want, Mazzy?
Half an hour.
30 minutes for €4. So cash this time. It doesn't give change, not to worry. I've got €4. 1 in. 2 in. Would you like a receipt? No. Thank you. Go to machine 1 and choose your cycle and press the start button.
Yeah. So I'm going to go with the hottest. 30 minutes and start.
Fantastic. Something else I've noticed while we're here.
Yeah.
There's a wash over here, Mazzy. We could fit our van here and do it.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to do. I'm just saying. So that's an option. I don't think we'll do it, but hey, it's an option. We'll consider it, I think.
Oh, spot on.
Is it dry?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if 15 minutes would have done it, but half an hour. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fresh bed tonight. Oh, you can wear your February pants.
So I'm going to leave you to fix the bedding, put all the bedding back on.
Yeah.
You're sending me up to the shop to get some screws from a car shop.
Yeah, it's like a garage place.
Up in the town, so I'll see you when I see you.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to everyone, Mazzy.
Bye.
Lovely to see you all again. Bye bye. Do your camera slap. You always do your camera slap. Thanks for watching.
Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.